Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel UK Solutions. I started this channel based on my interest towards microcontroller coding, making of Android apps, and using this knowledge to solve my basic needs and challenges which I face in my day-to-day life. And furthermore, I am looking to solve any of your problems which could be solved by using my knowledge. So far I have created some logics such as a timer based logic to start my rice cooker and to on off household appliances from my mobile phone also, and many such things which I could be useful in my day-to-day life. However, today in my first video I am going to show you a Wi-Fi keyboard, basically an application which I have built which can be used in a multi-purpose way. In order to create this application, I have used ESP8266, Arduino Pro Micro, JavaScript, Codular, basic C language, Arduino software. Upon all these things, I have basically used Google search. Here we can see some of the applications of this Wi-Fi keyboard. Basically, it is a keyboard and a mouse. It is used for saving keystrokes also. It is also a motion sensor mouse. Android keyboard for a Windows laptop. This is the best feature I have recognized after creating this application. And many more applications are also there to explore using this keyboard. The demo things are going to come in the next phase.
So we are getting into demo, and this is a prototype dongle which we had made. Let us insert in the laptop. The laptop is connected, and the dongle is searching for the Wi-Fi network, and now it is connected to the Wi-Fi network. So let us launch the application in mobile phone and connect this. Okay, now the application in mobile phone and the dongle are now connected. So let us get into the detailed demo of applications. So now I am using the basic keyboard of this my U keyboard. So as you can see, now the U keyboard application is being used for typing the words over there. So this is a basic demo of a basic mouse and basic keyboard, and this is for right click and left click. This is for scrolling, and all other keys like Control, Shift, Windows can also be used in this. And now let us go for this third application, the basic motion sensor mouse. So let me launch the motion sensor mouse. So here I think you could see the mouse pointer moving on the screen as I am moving the my mobile phone. So this is basic motion sensor mouse, and here also we could implement the left click, right click, and scrollings also. And its application is, we could enjoy this motion sensor mouse when we connect this dongle to the Android TV, wherein in recent TVs the remotes are motion sensor remotes. For old TVs the remotes are not motion sensor enabled. So if we want our TV to be controlled with a motion sensor mouse, then we could use this application and implement the same. So now let us see the second application, saving keystrokes. This application could be used for programmers to store the frequently used syntaxes. In my case, I will be using this serial.println command every time. So I had saved this and so that I could give I need not type this serial.println again and again. I just if I press this serial.println saved button, it will be typing that serial.println over there. So in this way, this saving keystrokes could be useful for programmers, even for regular day-to-day life also. Like you could save the email ID or your address details, so that you need not type this address details, email ID again and again from. And now let us go for the fourth application, the Android keyboard. This is the one which I loved the most, as everyone loves the Android keyboard, but integrating the Android keyboard with Windows laptop is my try, and I had succeeded in that. So let me show you my next application, Android keyboard for a Windows laptop. Here, let me launch the Android keyboard or my application. So now the Android keyboard I launched, and the features which we love in Android keyboard are text predictions. So let me show you a demo. See here how to make sure. So this is one of the text prediction which has this is a demo statement. And then the second feature which we love on Android keyboard is swiping keyboard, wherein we just can swipe and type a word what you want. So let me swipe my name. So this is the next feature, swipe keyboard. And then the third feature which I loved is we can copy any text from our phone and paste it on a laptop by simply copying the text, whatever which is required to be pasted on laptop, and simply paste it in this application, and that's it. This statement will be typed over the laptop. And then so I'm giving a problem definition over here. My problem definition is that I had two Excel sheets in which one of the Excel sheet the names are in a single row, and I want these names in another Excel sheet in rows, in columns, by leaving two columns between each name. So as I will be showing you the demo. So these steps, whatever which are being followed, are repeated. So we can store all these keystrokes on this application and execute them by simply clicking a single button, so that this task of repeated things will be executed in fraction of seconds. Let me show you the demo. So let us record these keystrokes, whatever being repeated. So I'm recording the keystrokes. What we need to do is copy, change tab, paste, move to rows, change tab, move down. So these things are being repeated again and again. So I had recorded it and I'm saving it as a button. Let us name it demo. Okay, save that button. And this is a button which we just created. So let me show you the demo. That's it. Fraction of a second. I don't think you could see it on screen, but let me show by scrolling to the second book. So Prashant was not there in previous, but after the click we had got Prashant over there. So let me show it again. Now let us copy paste the Ravi on there. That's it. It's done. Let me show the once again, so that see Ravi is printed over there. And once again, let me do this for all the other three also. 1, 2, 3. So the other three also got pasted. Let me show. See, Manoj, Praveen and Madan were previously not there, were copied and pasted by using the single click of demo button. So this is the next application which I love to. And this application of saving keystrokes could be used in fast filling of the forms, like in IRCTC, wherein in case of Tatkal ticket booking, we need to type the all the names, age and birth preference fastest possible. So if we simply store those details on this application on single button, and just if we press it, in fraction of seconds we could fill all the form of IRCTC. So here is the demo of the UKeyboard and application, and let me know if you like it, and if you find any other creative ways of using this UKeyboard, let me know that in comments. And here are the future videos of mine which I had planned to take, and please subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of stuff in future. Thank you.